I'm Michael Moritz, and I grew up in Cardiff in South Wales, and after leaving college moved to America, and I live in California now with my family. It's always good to be on the West Coast. It was always good to be on the West Coast of Britain, growing up in Cardiff, as I did. It's fabulous to be on the West Coast of America in California and working in Silicon Valley as I do today, and it's also wonderful to be in this particular part of the west of Wales, in Aberystwyth today. It's a wonderful honor to come to Aberystwyth on an extremely happy day like this with my mother, who is 90 years old, and I've always felt a particular affinity for the colleges, the different colleges of Wales, because my father spent his entire working life at what was then the University College of Cardiff. And it turns out that there are all sorts of ties that I was unaware of that extended through the years. And quite coincidentally, the president of Aberystwyth University today, it turned out, was the head of the student union in Cardiff, while my father was the Dean of Arts there, and so they knew one another. And so there are all those happy, closer ties that make a day like this very special. Aberystwyth is clearly a town in California. You can tell if you just look out of the window here. There's a glimmering blue ocean on the horizon. The sun is shining. And this being graduation day, it's full of young people brimming with hope and promise about what's possible for them as they begin their lives for the very first time outside of the four walls of a scholastic institution. And that's the world that I inhabit every day. And I'm sure all the things that are possible for people who work and grow in Silicon Valley are possible too for all the students who are graduating from Aberystwyth University this week. I think the best advice that I could offer anybody is to suggest that they go to YouTube and watch a very touching, moving, and affecting address that Steve Jobs gave several years before he died to the students at Stanford University. And nobody has, to the best of my knowledge, has ever addressed a graduating class better than Steve did that day.